In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your laptop, tablet, or phone on eBay. And let's start by visiting eBay's website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account, be sure to set one up. It's a straightforward process. After logging in, you'll find the Sell button in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the selling interface. Once you're on the selling page, you'll notice an option labeled List an Item. Click on it to begin the process of listing your device. Now it's time to enter some details about the item you're selling. You need to accurately type in the brand, model, and date of the laptop or gadget. It's important to be precise here because these details will help potential buyers find your listing more easily. After entering this information, click on the search icon. eBay will then offer you a list of suggested category matches for your item. Choose the one that best fits what you're selling. This step ensures that your item is placed in the right category, enabling buyers to locate it faster. Next, you'll need to specify the condition of your item. Be honest and transparent about its condition, whether it's new, used, or has any defects. Accurately describing the condition can build trust with potential buyers and help prevent any possible disputes later on. After specifying the condition, you'll see an option to Continue to Listing. Click on this to move to the next step. On the listing page, eBay allows you to include a description of your item's condition. It's a good idea to provide a brief note here to give buyers a clear understanding of what they can expect. You'll also see an option to add a more extensive description of your item. If you're not sure what to write, eBay offers an AI description tool to assist you. Consider utilizing this feature to save time and ensure your listing is as informative as possible. Don't forget to specify the country where the item originates from. This information can be crucial for buyers who may have preferences or restrictions based on the country of origin. Once all this is done, you're ready for the final step. Click on the List It button to put your device up for sale on eBay. And there you have it. Your laptop, tablet, or phone is now live on eBay and ready to be found by eager buyers. Remember, the key to a successful sale is clear, honest communication and presentation. Good luck with your sale, and happy selling.